Have you ever wondered how proxy servers work and why they're used? In this video, we'll break down what a proxy server is, the difference between a forward proxy and a reverse proxy, and their benefits. Let's get started. A proxy server is like a middleman between your device and the internet. Instead of directly connecting to a website, your request first goes to the proxy server, which then forwards it to the destination. The response follows the same path back to you. A forward proxy, commonly referred to as a proxy server, sits in front of users' devices. Here's how it works. Your computer sends a request to the forward proxy server, which then forwards that request to the target website. The website sends the response back to the proxy server, which then relays it to your computer. Why add this extra step? A forward proxy is useful for several reasons. It helps in bypassing restrictions imposed by governments, schools, or workplaces that block access to certain websites. It is also used for content filtering, allowing organizations to restrict access to specific sites, such as social media. Additionally, forward proxies help protect anonymity online, making it harder for websites or authorities to trace a user's activity back to them. Unlike a forward proxy, a reverse proxy sits in front of web servers and handles requests from users. Here's how it works. Users send requests to the reverse proxy, which then forwards the request to the actual web server. The web server processes the request and sends the response back to the reverse proxy, which then delivers it to the user. Reverse proxies offer several benefits. They help with load balancing by distributing traffic among multiple servers to prevent overload. They also enhance security by hiding the actual IP addresses of web servers, making it harder for attackers to target them. Global server load balancing directs users to the nearest server for faster performance. Caching stores frequently accessed content to speed up responses, and SSL encryption offloads encryption and decryption processes from the main server, improving efficiency. That's a wrap on proxy servers. Now you know the difference between forward and reverse proxies and why they're important. See you in the next video.